Hello, welcome back to Simple Trends. In today's video, let's make a simple, easy, crunchy and crispy thattai. I have taken 1 cup rice flour. This is the same roasted and sieved rice flour I used to make seedai. If you are using store-bought flour, roast them on a low flame for a few minutes and sieve it once. I will include the link to the seedai in the description box for reference. Today I have taken around 150 grams of rice flour. For 1 cup of the rice flour I have taken quarter cup of pottukadalai maavu, or it is also called roasted gram flour. Pottukadalai or udacha kadalai is the chutney dal. Just grind it to a fine powder in a mixer and sieve it. The coarse leftover dal can be used while grinding coconut chutney. 1 tablespoon roasted urad dal flour, the same we used for the seedai. For 1 cup rice flour, we use only 1 tablespoon of urad dal flour. 1 teaspoon butter. 1 tablespoon dhall or sesame seeds. 2 tablespoon channa dal soaked in water for 1 hour. For the spice, I am going to grind around 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, a few curry leaves, the salt and hing. Just pulse for a few seconds in a mixer to coarsely powder them. Now let's begin mixing the flour. Add the rice flour, roasted gram flour or pottukadalai maavu, urad dal, 1 teaspoon dhall or sesame seeds, butter, the chilli powder and curry leaf powder. By grinding and adding the curry leaves, it gets spread evenly in the flour. Add 2 tablespoons soaked channa dal. This adds to the crunch. Mix them well. If you hold it in your hands, it should form a lump, and if you leave it, it should crumble. This is the right way to check for the amount of butter, because adding more butter will not give a good taste to thattai. Now heat 1 teaspoon of oil. You can use any cooking oil. Today I have used refined oil, and when it is hot, add it to the flour. This gives very crisp thattai. Mix well. Sprinkle water little by little and make a dough. This is one of the savories made for Gokulashtami. They say that when Krishna was born, it was raining heavily and there was lightning and thunder. To mimic the sound of the thunder, they make these crunchy thattai and seedai varieties as prasad. I am not sure whether Krishna likes thattai or not, but my sons love the crisp thattai. The dough is ready now. Let's make the thattai. Heat oil for deep frying in a kadai. I make this in a small kadai with little oil to avoid reuse of the deep fried oil. If you are finding it difficult to pat with your fingers to make thattai, you can try it this way. Take a plastic sheet, grease it with little oil. Take a small portion of the dough, roll it without cracks, place it on the sheet, close and press with any flat cup or bowl. It spreads evenly. Remove it carefully from the sheet and drop in the oil. Keep the flame low while frying. Press with the fork to avoid puffing. Flip it and cook till it turns golden brown. The oil bubbles will settle down once it gets cooked. Yummy, crispy thattai is ready. A cup of coffee and crunchy thattai make a wonderful combination for an evening snack. Tomorrow is the 50th episode of our channel Simple Trends. We have an important update which I will share in tomorrow's video. For this quantity, I was able to get around 20 to 22 thattais. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Subscribe to Simple Trends and hit the bell icon to get instant updates on our new videos. Your feedback and comments are important to us. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Bye.